Today is 221. 21. That's a big dog. Big dog, not a good dog. That's a fox. It's pretty good. That's a fox. That's a candle. That's a sheep. That's a bell. That's a bunny. That's a bird. That's a fox. That's a bag fighter. That's a fox. That's a fox. That's a plantain. That's a dog. That's a bird. That's a monkey. That's a ghost. That's a dog. That's a bone. Man, this whole daily incense stuff has been full. That's a bear. That's a bug. And we got an egg. Daily egg time. That's a hedgehog. That's a hedgehog. That's a mouse. That's a bat. That's the MF and goat. That's a crocodile. That's a bug. That's a ball. That's a tongue. That's a bird. That's a rockstar raccoon. That's an ant. That's a bird. That's a fox. That's a balloon. That's a squirrel. That's a deaf Pokemon. That's a fly. That's a flower. That's a magic cat. That's a sheep. That's a devil fox. That's a fox. That's an ice cream. That's a bird. That's a fox. That's a moy-eye. That's Punchy Rock's brother. That's a kid. That's a bird. Oh man, it's boring again. Lots of foxes on this one. I wonder why. Man, this is so tiring.